Everyone is talking about GPUs. You are talking about the metal that helps those GPUs communicate. Meet indium, a little known metal that is becoming increasingly important in the global AI race. But why should anyone care? AI isn't powered by chips alone. Training and running advanced AI models requires thousands of GPUs to exchange enormous amounts of data almost instantly. The faster they communicate, the more powerful AI systems can become, where indium comes in. Indium is used to make indium phosphide, a material found in high-speed optical components. These components help move data between servers inside AI data centers using light rather than traditional electrical connections. The infrastructure behind AI. As AI models become larger, moving data efficiently is becoming just as important as processing it. This has turned optical networking into a critical layer of AI infrastructure and increased the importance of indium-based technologies, a rare supply chain. Unlike most industrial metals, indium is rarely mined directly. It is primarily produced as a byproduct of zinc refining, meaning supply cannot be rapidly increased even if demand surges. More demand for indium does not automatically translate into more indium production. Why governments are paying attention? China dominates a significant share of global indium refining and processing. As countries race to secure critical minerals for semiconductors and advanced technologies, indium is increasingly attracting geopolitical attention. It's not just about AI. Indium is already used in products many people interact with every day: smartphones, touchscreens, LCD displays, TVs and monitors, solar panels. AI is adding another major demand driver to an already important market. The bigger picture, the AI race isn't only about who builds the best chips, it's also about who controls the materials and supply chains that make large-scale AI systems possible. Indium may not be a household name, but it is becoming one of the hidden metals powering the next era of AI.